All right, Molly, we'll be going into this car now. Where are we going, Daddy? We're going to go to the gas station to pick some gas up, and let's go. All right. All right, Molly, we're here at the gas station. There's like the red hydrant. But you know, it delivers gas. Okay. I think I should turn in here. Okay. And this car has some secret abilities on it. Since it has a good thing, hey? All right, let's lift this up. Oh my gosh! That is cheap! Screw this car. Molly, my steering wheel broke for some reason. And that's where you put the gas in easier. But damn it, this car is paid off $1,000. Oh, Daddy, the same thing seems right. Alright, I got the thing. It can go under control any second now. This is not what I meant. Oh, damn it. Good, this thing. Alright, let's get out of here. Oh, but this car needs gas. Why does it have to do that? Next time I'm buying another car. This is too weak. I'm going to get my engineer car. I like this car, but it's too cheap. You know what? That's what I'm about to do. Oh, no, my hand is stuck in the thing. All right, good. Molly, you okay? I'm sleeping, Dad. All right, Molly, the car crashed, but we need to call a guy to fix our car. Man, can't believe this happens. I hate this car. You know what? Me too. Let's see. Oh my God, still doesn't work. I mean, well, we have heat now because we're gonna be stuck here for 2 days. Because our car broke down and it's leaking gas. And yeah, the gas is spilling out of my car, and I don't know what to do. Maybe I should lift it up and see what happens, but the car will not work. Man, what a cheap little us doing it. We're almost close to the gas station, and it was like, nah. I give up on this car. I'm done. We're gonna take this to the junkyard. It's ready for the junkyard. It's ready for the junkyard. Come on, let's just go set up a campfire until rescue services come. Daddy, why are we laying down? I'm bored of waiting for the services. I'm gonna lay down. Yeah, the car's broken up there, and it's leaking gas, which is gonna be hazardous. Let's just lay down. Oh, the rescue team should be here any second now. Hey, that's him! Flipped up, and me and our kids are okay.
Yeah, it sounds really bad.
Can you listen?
Oh, sorry, you called me on my lunch break. Gosh. Okay, it sounds pretty serious. Let me see the car.
It's leaking gas.
It is?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
Can you tow it home for us?
Yep, no problem.
Can I take the ride in your car?
Yeah, no problem. I'm gonna get them too. All right, come on. Hey, Molly, what's up?
Oh, nothing that bad.
High five. Yep, around the corner. Oh, yeah. And then headbutt.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh, that kind of hurt.
Yeah,
all right,
let's go.
Let's just take this guy.
Oh, it's so heavy, right?
Yeah, it's really heavy. It's kind of hard to steer. Can you get down at the bottom and steer it?
Sure.
All right. Okay, all right. Right.
Oh, the door's open.
Ah, the door. Close it, Molly. You're going to have to get a new car.
We don't have to do that.
All right. Looks like it's good. Get in my car.
Saving us. Get out of here. Let's go. What are you crying? Stop it, you damn Jude. Let's just drive this thing.
Hey. Okay, everybody's got their seatbelts on.
Yeah.
Hey guys, you know what's cool?
What?
Beep. Awesome. Okay. Beep. All right, I don't even have to drive. All right, let's go. Is this where you live?
Yeah, you've been here too, right?
Yeah, I have.
Come on, you can make it, Peep. You can make it.
Man, I cannot believe this is so hard to get up. Tell me about it. Oh my goodness. Alright, parking right over here. Here we go. Alright. Okay, let me get out. Alright, come on.
Come on, Mom, let's get out.
Alright. Beep.
Are you going to mend my car, sir?
Alright. Ah, the car's running away! Car's running away!
So heavy.
Somebody would help me. Raspberry, get over here.
Oh, I'll help you. Oh, I'm strong. Are you okay?
Yep, I'm fine.
So you're gonna fix my car?
Yeah. While in the shop. It's gonna take a while in the shop.
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna go walk my dog.
Hey! I thought you were gonna fix my car over here!
I'm coming. 1 second. I gotta go walk my dog.
Come on, Molly, we're not gonna stay here. I'm driving away. I don't want you to spoil brat with me right now. All right, let's go. Oh, come on. Why is it not working? For goodness sakes, I ran out of gas. Doesn't matter. Come on, work, you stupid little idiot. No, I broke it some more. Oh, now my car is definitely destroyed. I can't put it in there now. I smell the gasoline. Is still more gas in there? Oh my god, this car just want to be an idiot. Excuse me.
Yeah.
I just broke my steering wheel.
Don't worry, we'll get it fixed up in the shop. And it's gonna be $100 to fix it.
Yeah, I gotta spend up all my money. Oh!
Alright, come on, puppy, let's go. Come on, fan. Come on, bud. Come on. Come on.
Help me! I'm dead. I'm dying. It's choking me. It's choking me.
Sit down. Start. Start. Oh, it's okay. Let's go. Come on. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Yep.
Stop, dog!
Don't call me that. Come on, buddy.
Ugh. Done. I am done walking my dog. All right, Brown Bear. I think I'm going to fix it now. Good. I'm going to take a nap here. Whatever. Hey, it still works. Okay. All right. This is how you fix that stereo on your freaking car. All right, looks good. All right, now let's flip this over. Oh my God, can you help me, Brown Bear? Oh my goodness. Brown Bear, oh, what the heck is wrong with you? You can't hit the boss. Can you help me? Fine, I'll help you. Look at this, one hit. Look at how strong I am. Weep. There, now can I go to sleep? All right, let's see. Oh, and there's a crack right there. Yeah, I gotta fix that up. All right, so I need tape. We don't have any tape. I'll just use grass for the gas. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. I think that's done now. Okay, now it's time to fix this up. Oh, come on, you stupid thing. Oh, I can't do that. Brown Bear, help me now.